Welcome back students. This is your third GK class. In the previous class we have learned about amazing animals and pollution. In this video today we will learn about beautiful birds. So open your book, page number 10. Open this page, page 10. Look, beautiful birds. So our today's topic is beautiful birds. Look, here are pictures of some beautiful birds. Let's read the instruction. Identify the following birds on the basis of given description. Identify the following birds on the basis of given description. So what will we do? First we will read this description and we will find out the name of these birds from here. Let's start. This is number 1. Look at this pic. Now read. A colorful fish-eating bird that spends most of its time perched by the water's edge. It is kingfisher. Right here, kingfisher. 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 Now number 2. Look at this pic. I think you all know its name. Yes, it's hummingbird. Now read the description. Teeny brightly colored bird with a long thin bill. It can fly backward. It is hummingbird. Right here, hummingbird. 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 Now number 3. Look at this pic and read this description. A noisy bird with dull feathers and a tuft of feathers on its head. A tuft of feathers on its head. That means this one. It is cockatoo. Right here, cockatoo. 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 Then next one is number 4. This one. Look at this picture and now read this description. A wave-footed bird. Its lower jaw features an extensible pouch for catching fish. This one. It is pelican. 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 Right here. And the last one is number 5. A large, gentle bird. It feeds specially on fruits and insects. It is toucan. 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 Right here, toucan. So please watch and listen this video again and again and try to learn. Another message for you. While coming out from your home, use your mask. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.